Have you ever been ignored by a girl you like? Or maybe you're experiencing it now? It's definitely not a pleasant feeling when you like a girl, but she doesn't even acknowledge your presence. She acts cold and seems to ignore you every time you approach her. It even feels like she's subtly rejecting you, by always avoiding you. If you've been through this or are going through it now, don't worry, bro, because today I'm going to share some tips on how to make a girl who's ignoring you and avoiding your advances change her attitude and become more interested in you. By the time you're done watching this video, she won't ignore you anymore. And in fact, she might start chasing you. Watch this video till the end, because I'll be sharing 3 tricks, with trick number 3 being the most important one that you must apply if you want the girl you like to stop ignoring you. 1. Become a guy she finds attractive. Think of it this way, bro. Imagine you're standing in front of a dining table, and on that table, you see 2 pizza boxes. Even though both are pizzas, you can tell there's a big difference between the 2. In the first box, you see a hot golden brown pizza, complete with meat and plenty of toppings, and you can even smell its delicious aroma. In the second box, you see a cold pizza that looks like it's drying out, pale in color, and with very few toppings. You can't smell anything from it. It's obvious which one you'd choose, right? You definitely pick the pizza from the first box that makes your mouth water. The second one, you'd probably ignore it. This is exactly how girls see guys who approach them. They don't think twice about accepting attention from a guy who can spark their interest or attraction. On the other hand, they'll act indifferent and cold if faced with a guy they don't find appealing. Of course, attraction is subjective, and each girl has her own preferences, but at the very least, you can make yourself appealing to her on the basic levels: your appearance and attitude. Start by looking neat, clean, and smelling good. Don't wear wrinkled clothes, take a shower at least twice a day, use face soap, and always wear cologne when meeting someone. Nail these basics first, so the girl becomes more visually attracted to you. Afterward, you can enhance your appeal through your behavior. It's not hard, bro. Just carry yourself with confidence in any situation. A girl won't be able to ignore you if she sees a guy who's both visually appealing and confident. Try this first trick right away and see the results for yourself. 2. Building a connection. The biggest reason a girl acts indifferent towards a guy is that she feels unfamiliar with him. So, if you want to approach a girl, don't rush it, bro. Don't immediately ask her out or suggest meeting up, and definitely don't show up at her place. You'll just get ignored. Why? Because she doesn't really know you yet. This is a common mistake 99% of guys make, and you don't want to be part of that statistic. Approaching a girl is an art. It's a process. First, make her feel comfortable with you and create a connection. There are many ways to do this, like learning about her hobbies, favorite music, or the foods she likes. Girls feel connected when you can relate to the things they're passionate about. Once you know what she likes, engage her in conversations about it. For example, talk to her about her favorite fashion brand. When you do, position yourself like a student eager to learn, ask more questions, and let her explain at length. This taps into a psychological factor, bro. Everyone loves talking about something they're passionate about. They'll feel enthusiastic and excited, and no girl will remain indifferent if you steer the conversation towards something she enjoys discussing, even if it lasts for hours. Once again, take it slow when you're getting to know a girl. Build that connection first. Find common ground and learn what makes her tick. Show her that you're a guy who can genuinely relate to her life. Number 3. Becoming a top 1% man. This is the trick with a 100% success rate. In other words, if you can master this, the girl you like will never be able to ignore you again. In fact, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this trick is so powerful that you'll become a magnet for every girl you approach. The method is simple, but it's not easy. It requires a long process that can take years. The key is to become a man who belongs to the top 1%. If a girl is acting indifferent towards you, take it as a wake-up call that you need to change. You need to improve yourself and become the best version of yourself, surpassing 99% of other guys. Don't waste your time chasing after girls. Instead, chase your ambitions. Focus your energy and time on achieving the goals and dreams you've always wanted. Achieving all this won't be easy, but it's definitely possible. You'll feel tired, and you'll experience pain from failures. But if you don't give up, if you get back up after falling and remain consistent in your efforts, you will eventually achieve what you're striving for. The exhaustion and pain from working towards your goals won't compare to the disappointment and hurt of chasing after a girl who rejects you because you lack the qualities of a high-value man. If you want to start becoming a top 1% man, then start as soon as possible, bro. Because once you succeed, no girl will dare to act indifferent towards you. So don't be lazy, bro. Keep your spirits high. Every girl in the world respects a man who achieves success through hard work. These are the 3 tricks to stop being ignored by girls. Try one or try them all. It's up to you, but the more you apply, the better. Okay, bro, that's the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful.